Meaning of IELTS.
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 IELTS. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It is a standardized test that measures a person's ability to use the English language in various contexts, such as listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The test is recognized globally and is commonly used by universities, immigration departments, and employers to assess the language proficiency of individuals seeking further education or employment opportunities in an English-speaking environment. IELTS is scored on a scale of 0 to 9, with 9 being the highest score achievable. A score of 6 or above is typically required for admission to universities and colleges in English-speaking countries, while a score of 7 or higher may be required for certain professions, such as medicine or law.